Welcome to this channel. Stay refreshed with healthy talks. Your host is Nose Adorable. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. You can live healthy with Nose Adorable.
Welcome back. I'm Nurse Adorable and we will be making smoothie in today's video. We'll be making use of pineapple, green apple, banana, oats, and water. So let's get started. See the combination of this smoothie. These are fruits that are very rich in fiber. So if you are constipated, if you have a bloated abdomen, if you have a bloated stomach, try this recipe. It will help you to go to toilet very easily, as we know that pineapple helps in digestion. It is good for hypertensive patients. It also helps to boost the immune system. So also banana is rich in fiber. It aids digestion. It's also a good source of fiber. And oats is also a good source of fiber. It contains a fiber called beta glucan, which helps to benefit your heart health. So put all these things together and you're fine. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share your comment with us. I love you.